We're going to program the midpoint formula into our calculator. So go ahead, turn on your calculator, program, scroll over to new, and we're going to call this midpoint. There you go. Midpoints, press enter. And now we want prompt. So go to program, scroll over to IO, go down to prompt. And we need two values. So we want X, we want Y. And so XY is our first point. And then our other point will be AB. So A, B. Sometimes this is going to happen. All you got to do is go second quit, and then press program, go back to edit, and find your program, which was midpoint. So there you go, and now you're back to where you were. So I made a mistake. All you gotta do now is press alpha B. There you go. So A corresponds as the second X value, B corresponds as the second Y value. So this is X1, this is X2. Y is Y1, B is Y2. Okay? Because the midpoint formula is this right here, which is X1 plus X2 divided by 2. And that's your X value for the midpoint. And then your Y value for the midpoint is Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. There we go. Press enter. And now, so we're going to need to display the X value and then the Y value. So go to program, IO, and we want to display. And let's start with the X. So I'm going to hit second alpha. So we have the alpha locked on, quotations, and X, quotations, and let's take the alpha off, comma, and now we're going to plug in the formula. So parentheses, X1 plus the X2 value, which is A, close parentheses, divided by 2. There you go. And now let's display the Y value. So program, IO, display, second alpha lock, quotations, Y, close quotations, take off the alpha lock, comma, and now let's put in the formula. Parentheses, alpha Y, so that's Y1 plus Y2, which is going to be B, close parentheses, divided by 2. Press enter. Alright, let's see if this works. So second quit, go to program, scroll over to your midpoint. There's midpoint right there. Press enter. Now it's prompting us for the X value. So let's use this problem here. So we have point A, which is -1, 2. Point B, which is 3, -6. And we should get an answer of 1, -2. Alright, so let's put that in there. So -1 is the first X value, is X1. And 2 is Y1. 3 is X2, -6 is Y2. And we should have an answer of 1, -2. There you go. X is 1, Y is -2. It works.